Welcome to Clean and Decorate with me. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Sandy's Home and Garden. Now I'm going to be going from my lemons and bees to a patriotic theme here on my little shelf. Now I removed everything and I'm going to be using this Lysol lemon cleaner. This works really well, especially here in the kitchen. So I just give it a quick wipe down and get it nice and clean. Now the middle of this is a chalkboard. Now keep watching because I do clean the chalkboard and I redo my sign on it. So there we go, all done. Doesn't that look nice? Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Now, I do want to mention this is an open collaboration the first Monday of every month. So if you'd like to join in, just let me or Anna know. Now, the first thing I'm going to add is these stars with the patriotic theme. Now, this was from the Dollar General for only $3, and I did get 2 of these. They're a metal, so I have those at each end of my shelf. And I'm going to also stick in a couple of little flags in the fabric part of it there in the back. And the shelf was thrifted. Now here's a vintage Coca-Cola bottle that's never been opened. And it has on here a NASCAR driver, Bobby Labonte. I don't follow NASCAR, but my husband does. So I have 2 of these Coca-Cola bottles that I'll be adding to the shelf, along with this firecracker, a wooden firecracker from the Dollar General that says God Bless America. Now that was only $3 as well. I've always wanted one of these. I know people do these for a DIY. I like the little stars on top. And then I also have the patriotic hats that are salt and pepper shakers. I'll be placing those in the middle of the shelf. And then when I think of summer and anything patriotic, I think of strawberries. So again, these were salt and pepper shakers from the Dollar General, and I'll be placing those at the end of the shelf. And here is a strawberry mug. I even like the fact that it has a little strawberry inside with a red handle and the stripes. I'll place those underneath the shelf along with these copper mugs. I like drinking cold drinks out of it. It just stays colder longer. And then also when I think of something patriotic, I think of Norman Rockwell. Now this is a cup that depicts a little boy as he's sitting there next to his grandpa, and he's putting together a model sailing ship. And it's worth doing for a good boy. This is also vintage from my parents. So I'm going to place that on the center hook there on the shelf. So here's what it looks like. Very patriotic, don't you think? And then I did add one more thing to the wall here at the side. It's a little banner. I love the USA from the Dollar General. So that just makes this corner perfect. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully you got some inspiration on how to clean and decorate an area in your home with a patriotic theme. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the playlist and leave a comment and a like. And we'll see you in the next one.